Hi everyone. So let's continue our discussion on asynchronous programming. So we have seen how to grab the future output with the help of this then method. Now let's say if you want to make your own custom function as a asynchronous by nature. So let's first create a synchronous by nature without using this async keyword, and then we'll use the synchronous async keyword and we'll make our code asynchronous. So let's just create one simple synchronous code. So I'm just writing for the sake of understanding first start of code, and another one is, let's say, end. Now in between, let's just create a very simple function, and that particular function will make it first synchronous and then asynchronous. So let's say we'll create a demo function, and demo will just return hello world. Okay, now let me call the demo function here, or we'll just print output directly. So inside the print function only we'll create this demo function. Okay, now let's just run it. So now you can see the program execution is completely sequential in nature. So first start and then demo function output. So till the demo function output didn't come, the rest of the part of code, like printing this end keyword, or you can say printing this particular line, has not been executed. So as soon as this particular function gives the output it has printed, then only the rest of the part of your code will get executed. Now let's say we want to make this particular demo function asynchronous, so it will return me the future object, but by default it is not returning the future object. So I can use this async keyword. So let me use this async. So along with this demo, I have to use here, it's a typo. Okay, so after demo function argument and before starting the body of this particular loop, you can use this demo function. Now let's say, suppose if I call it, it won't return me the output. Now if you observe here the output, the demo function, it has not printed this hello world, the output, but instead of it has printed the instance of this future. So this particular portion has returned that there is something instance of this future object has been returned, but till now it has not been returned. Now how to grab whatever the output it will return it? So for that we have to use this demo function or then function on the top of demo. So we'll use this demo dot then. Okay, now inside this then function we'll grab the output. So we are going to use, let's say, one dynamic class, and we'll grab it into, let's say, out variable. Okay, now let me just print it out. Now wherever you write this particular code, whenever the output from this particular function will come, it will print this out. So same way in a last video also we have used this then function on the top of one of the function, but that was a built-in function. Now here with the help of async method we have created this function as a asynchronous function, and instead of returning just a string, at the first glance it will return the future object. Now with the help of this future object, when we apply this then method on the top of it, we are grabbing the output as soon as whenever that particular output will arrive. Now let's just run it. So now you can see the first start. Then we have again called this demo. So whenever we call this demo as asynchronous method, it has returned some instance of future object. Then immediately it has returned the end, because till now the execution of this particular function has not been finished. And then again as soon as the execution of this particular function is over, it has printed this hello world, because this particular part returned and it has given this output into out variable. Okay, so that is how you can make your own custom function as a asynchronous. So that's all about this video. See you into next video.